The Queen's Baton Relay for the Commonwealth Games was given a warm welcome by the Sports Minister, Kanakona and Poingini MLAs, sports officials, school children, sports enthusiasts and sports stars when it arrived in Goa from Karnataka on Tuesday. Queen's Baton Relay was received at Paule checkpost in Kanakona by Sports Minister Manohar Asgaonkar in the presence of Kanakona MLA Vijay Paikhoth and Poingini MLA Ramesh Tawatकर and a host of other dignitaries.
It's an exciting national celebration that will showcase India to the world. The relay which began when Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II.
Disseminating features of 19th Commonwealth Games, Queen's Baton, which arrived here from neighbouring Karnataka, was received by the Sports Minister.
आज चढ खुशी होता की कॉमनवेल्थ गेम दिल्ली जावपाचे आसा त्याचे भितर कमीत कमी 70 कंट्री भाग घेवपाचे आसा आज चढ खुशी आसा की इंडिया सुद्धा त्या टॉप लेवलाचेर पावली आसा इंडिया आज पयली 1936 हिंदुस्थानाक आनी एक मेडल मेळ्ळेलें आज कमीत कमी 49 मेडलां मेळिल्लीं आसा आज चढ खुशीची गजाल आसा की इंडिया आज नंबर 4 या 6 नंबराचेर आसा आणि हो स्पोर्ट्साचो संदेश समज सगळे घराघरांनी पावले आणि कितलींशीं मेडलां आपल्याक मेळूंक शकतात आणि तो संदेश आमी पावोवपा खातीर आमी पावले आज स्पोर्ट्स आणि एज्युकेशनाक जितलें म्हत्व आहा तितलें स्पोर्ट्साक आमी म्हत्व दिता आणि स्पोर्ट्सा भितर हांवें काल पयर म्हटलां तशें आज विजय पै फुलान हांगासर भाशण केलां की एज्युकेशनाक भितर पॉलिटिक्स आसपाक जायना तशें स्पोर्ट्सा भितरय पॉलिटिक्स आसपाक जायना स्पोर्ट्स हो आमचो सगळ्यांचो 40 आमदारांचो आनी अख्ख्या गोंयकारांचो हर एक मतदारसंघात समज स्पोर्ट्समॅन फुडें सरी आनी मेडलां घेवन हांगा सगळ्यांक ताचो अभिमान आसता अख्ख्या गोंयकाराक आसता एकदम एमएलए आसता तुमी म्हणून हर एक काळांतले स्पोर्ट्समॅन तयार जावचो आमी पळयतात की आमचे पेरंट्स जे आसात ते चडांत चड भुरग्यांक इंट्रस्ट घालतात एज्युकेशना भितर आज स्पोर्ट्सांनी इंट्रस्ट घालपाक जाय कारण स्पोर्ट्स पॉलिसी आमी केल्या आनी ती सगळ्या आमदारांनी तेको दिला.
The baton was later handed over to the football legend Brahmanand Shankwalkar. The baton was later taken across the town by leading sports persons from the state. Sports lovers in large numbers assembled right from the outskirts of the town and enjoyed the day. The baton was carried in the thoroughfares by athletes and other people. Dignitaries, sports persons, senior officials, people's representatives and students were part of the procession. Students' attendance in beautiful dresses added magnificence to the welcome ceremony. The Queen's Baton then proceeded to Margao, where Chief Minister Digambar Kamath welcomed it in the presence of a large number of dignitaries and sports enthusiasts. A function was also organized at the Ravindra Bhavan Margao on the occasion. The Queen's Baton has travelled thousands of kilometers across the country so far. On Wednesday, the baton enters Maharashtra.
Right from Paule Kanakona, hundreds and thousands of children, beautifully dressed, have been giving it a real beautiful welcome. And I'm sure Hero Honda